Welcome everybody. We're going to show you how to make a half-baked cookie recipe. Let's go. Alright, let's start off by getting out our medium bowl and we're going to add in a third cup of brown sugar. There you go. Then a third cup of melted butter. And we're going to mix this up. Make sure we mix it until it's thicker and there are no granules left. Let's crack in 1 egg and add in a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, now we're going to mix. Let's make sure to mix it only until it's combined. Let's sift in a third cup of all-purpose flour and a half teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget a half teaspoon of salt. Let's fold it up. Let's add in 4 tablespoons of semi-sweet chocolate into our mixture. Let's add our batter into our small ramekins. Let's put our half-baked cookies in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes.